Children, let's go for English activity. That is making of noun flower. Let's start the activity. First, you have to take an A4 size paper or whatever I have mentioned in the material required, any paper, and placed it like this. First, you have to take the big circle and placed like this. Now take the small circles and placed in this manner, and with the help of Fevicol just paste it here. So this is an noun flower which is ready. Okay, so now children, next this is a thin strip, so you have to place it here. Then like this paste leaves. These are of your own choice if you want to paste leaf like this. Now you have to take a rectangle shaped paper, turn back and fold like this, and from here also like this. The first, second fold, and this is the third fold. Now again turn back and your pot is ready. So this is your pot and your flower is ready. Okay. Next, what you have to do, you can write in the circle also, or you can take paper like this and paste in this way. So this is your noun flower. Now what's the interesting part of this flower is, as you know, noun are of 4 types. That is, what are noun? The naming words. That is the name of a person, name of places, name of animals and birds, and things. Let's see an example, move on to an example. So I have taken this. Who is this? Is a boy. So I'll place it in this person. Next, I have taken this mouse. So what is this mouse? It's the animal. So I'll place it here in the animal. Okay. Next, I have taken, it's written here, park. So I'll place it here in the park. And this one is a ball. So what is a ball? Ball is a name of a thing. You can explore some more example. Suppose I have taken this bird parrot. So I should place it here in the parrot, in the bird. Suppose I have taken this sketch pen. So what is this sketch pen? This is a things. So I should place it here in the thing. So in this way, you can explore more examples, and hope you have enjoyed this activity. It is your own choice if you want to make a smiley and paste it here to make your noun flower more colorful. So I think it was a great fun by doing this activity. Good luck children. Bye-bye.